Here's a quick video to show how to do rasterization with the prorip using transparency. So to start, let's go ahead and open a couple of layers here. And we'll delete our layer that has the white. So now we have two layers. The first layer we're going to do a black box. So let's go ahead and do a black box, edit fill. We're going to do a second box. And we'll make this one red. So let's say this is your design. Just for fun, let's go ahead and put a outline around this. So say this is your image and you want to do the partial rasterization, and we want to do that with the black. So double click on your layer 1, go to your opacity, change that to 80%, and you can see that now layer 1 has 80% opacity to it. Let's save this, and we're going to save this as a PNG, and we'll call this video test. Let's go to our RIP, bring in the file, let me get this to fit. So as you can see right now, everything's solid. There's no rasterization. Let's go into properties, ink removal. We want round. We're going to do a frequency of 20. Hit OK. And preview. So now you have your two, you have your solid and your rasterization. If you want to make changes to the rasterization, let's go back to properties, ink removal. Let's make this to lines. We'll go 90%, an angle of 90, and at 20, or 25, I'm sorry. Line, and let's hit OK. You hit the preview, and you'll see that now we have the line rasterization. Here's some of the problems that you could run into. If you go into your properties and you change your dot size here, let's just make this to 180. You're going to notice the whole image gets rasterized. You have your, let's go back to properties, ink removal, put this back to 255, hit OK, and we're back where we started. If you want to adjust the size of the holes or the lines, so we're going to go to properties. You want to change adjust holes where it says use graphic transparency for dot size. Let's make this super small. I don't recommend going that small. We could change this to round, and you'll see you have very little dots. If you're still having problems, here could be the other issue. If you uncheck this, use graphics transparency for dot size, and you hit OK, you will see you have no more rasterization. If you wanted to rasterize the whole image, now these settings apply. So I could go to line 25, go down to 204, Hit OK, preview, and now you have the rasterization throughout the whole image. Back to properties, ink removal. We're going to go back to 1, put this at 255, and we should be back right where we started. Thank you. I hope this helps some of you.